Genuinely, this thing is so silly and so much fun. Good afternoon and welcome to Turbo Tortoise Tech. I have like one of the most fun little products that I've ever accidentally wanted to review ever. So I get this basically when we don't have guys bringing us stuff like the latest SteelSeries Prime or something like that, then I can select whatever I want to review, which is quite cool. And Uncle Evetech spoils me as such with that. So on that note, actually, I will be doing a poll to find out what you guys want to see more of review-wise. But this is today's subject and it's super cool. Okay, now I saw this thing on the Evetech store and I was like, it's gonna be hilarious, all right? Because basically what's going on is in this big bulb over here, there is a microphone on top, and then there are two 7-watt of the Monster speakers in the side, and I've used the S310 for quite a while. I still got mine. It's still going absolutely strong. I really like Monster Audio products. They're very good bang for buck. So this one had an interesting premise to it, all right? When you hit this little button over here that looks like the no voice button.
Remove vocal.
It does exactly that. It removes the vocal from the track. Well, what it actually is doing is it's cutting out all the high to mid-range tones that would have the vocals within it so that you can then karaoke over the song.
Restore vocal.
And then it's still a Bluetooth speaker, right? So it's like the microphone and the speaker all in one package. Now, before we go any further into what it can actually do, let's just talk about the layout and the format before I get too carried away over here. So power button in the middle over there. It's got several modes on it, which I'll go through later. Then there is volume up for the microphone and then volume up for the audio as well. So they are separate. So you can have your music at one level and your voice at another. Got it? Pretty kind of cool. Then below that, the little button over there, that's what gives you the different voice modes. So if I just...
Pop mode.
That's a very echoey one.
Host mode.
So host mode is if like, and this is where I say this product is actually kind of legit. So if I was just walking around and showing a place, then I could amplify the sound of my voice. And then you'll be able to hear me quite clearly and audibly over a much larger area. And I don't have to shout, which is obviously a bonus. But then it's got some other built-in functions into it as well.
Wally voice mode.
So for instance, I am now female. Hi.
Wally voice mode.
And now I'm a cartoon character.
Monster voice mode.
And now I'm the thing that sleeps underneath your bed at night. Well, as you can see, it's got a couple of fun little modes, and then next to that is the button that can then remove the vocals. Now, there's a couple of applications for this actually, and you can link two of these devices together. So you can have full stereo sound speaker vibe effect, but then with full karaoke as well. So you can karaoke amongst multiple microphones, which is like one of the coolest things about Monster products is that you can often link two of them together. So in this case, it's exactly that. It's got 4 different modes as well. So host mode is the default with all of the reverb removed.
Karaoke mode.
Then we have karaoke with a little bit of spicy reverb thrown in.
Professional mode.
Then we have the professional mode, which is like extra echo.
Pop mode.
And then we have pop mode, which is even more echo. Now, obviously, this is coming across as maybe a bit of like a toy product, but I think it actually has some pretty cool real-world applications, and it can just be a lot of fun if you're at home. And it's a Bluetooth speaker all in one. It does have charging on the bottom, but you'll notice next to that, there's a headphone jack. So you can actually monitor directly from here. And then one of the cables they provide you in the kit is a USB Type-C to the 3-pole connector, which goes into your phone. So you can actually record from this microphone to your phone as well. So you've got a full recording karaoke Bluetooth speaker for 1,000 Rand. You can't really buy a mic that does that even at that kind of price. Well, you can get like this lapel mic, for instance, that I'm using. They're about 500 bucks. But will it be a speaker, a loudspeaker as well? Will it have all of that in one? I just don't think so. If you're a teacher or if you're, presenting a lot in any kind of environment, this could be really good for you and it could save your voice over the course of the day because the volume is kind of insane. Sorry for headphone users. If I blew you away, I apologize. This thing is just too much fun. And I had the lads around. There was a couple of us here at my house. And yeah, we were playing with the Monster voice mode and doing all kinds of things to the point of like cry laughing when we hit that stage. And it was just, it's a really fun, cool product. It comes in 2 different colors. I think it's a cool thing that Monster's done. And the fact that it actually has some practical applications, like if you were to put it into host mode. If you are in host mode, it's a completely normal loudspeaker. And the quality and everything is good enough that you can hear me pretty much whatever I'm saying, whenever I'm saying it. I just think it's a cool product and I'm having a lot of fun with it, and I kind of don't want to give it back. Sick. Also, an added bonus, okay, of being the person holding the mic is when you hold it with the controls towards you, it's got stereo speakers. So when you put it in like pop mode,
Karaoke, professional mode, pop mode,
where you've got all this beautiful echo, it actually sounds like you're in a very echoey building. As the user, it sounds incredible being over there. You could even use it to make a meme or 2. Suck! Battery life is also not bad. I did use it for several hours before it clinked out, and then like I said, it's Type-C in the bottom, 5V 1A. It will take about an hour to charge to max, but you could probably then use it for the rest of the day. Build quality is equally good. It is a little bit awkward, like just chilling, like standing like that, but it does work. So you can just leave it on the table and play music through it once you're done being, well, a pop superstar.
Anyway, that is all I have for you in this review. If you have enjoyed it, you better hit the top of the like and subscribe, or I will see you on the flip side. This thing is so legit, it might as well be too legit to quit. Boy.